Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Cuvimox.com. So Cuvimox.site is basically an online platform also known as the PayTube, where you can earn money by doing the pretty simple steps, by just referring it to your friends and doing simple tasks and watching different videos. Sounds pretty easy, right? But now let's find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, like, they can provide you money by doing different simple tasks. And once I try to search for the reviews of this platform on the Trustpilot, you can see it has a 2.1 rating out of 22 reviews, which is just an average rating. And people are actually claiming that this is a scam, and some people are actually very much satisfied, but we never know. So I tried to dive deeper and search for a domain name. As you can see, this website is pretty new, so the site is too new and we don't have enough details that was actually claimed by the islegitsite.com, so which raises concerns about the authenticity of this platform. So I have searched a little bit more and searched for this site on the Scam Advisor website, and it has a trust score of 1 out of 100. So this is the worst possible trust score. So in conclusion, I would say, like, this platform is completely a scam and you should not invest your energy and money and even your time on this platform. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.